Welcome back, everybody. All right, you're looking at some blue sky here, but notice, if you look really closely, you can see some of the raindrops, especially with the contrast between the green and the grass off there in the distance. So a shower has moved into the Helena area, 70 degrees after a high of 80 in Great Falls. Yes, we have rain. We also have haze and smoke. You know it was kind of a hazy, smoky day until the storms came through. Rain, cool air, 64 degrees. Showers and thunderstorms mainly closer to the western part of the state and the Continental Divide, thus the cooler weather in the 60s and the 70s. Look at Glasgow, still at 85, and Havre, 84 degrees, the current temperature. Now, areas on the Rocky Mountain front, just off of the Rocky Mountain front, under a flood watch. Now, good news, the flood warning for the Dearborn, for the Sun River, and for the Marias River has been allowed to expire because we've dropped below flood stage. But because the ground is still saturated and we're seeing thunderstorms, we've got a flood watch, and that means, hey, watch out. Flooding is a possibility here over the next few days all the way into Saturday. Flood warning continues, though, for the Teton River here, but that will likely fall below flood stage tonight or at least by tomorrow. On the radar, a lot of activity in the western part of the state here, and boy, did we have some heavy, heavy rain right where we did not need that heavy rain, like around Augusta up through Choteau. All these locations that had been flooded here are seeing some heavy rain. There's that rain in Great Falls, big time thunderstorms and rumbles of that thunder here. Look at the lightning. You can see the lightning most recently just off towards the north, but earlier, a couple hours ago, that was a lot of lightning off towards the west out there around Sims and Fairfield, the Augusta area as well, but a bunch of lightning strikes here in and around Great Falls, also out to around Highwood here recently. Augusta, it was very, very heavy, the rain that is, earlier, but you can see the rain has eased up here considerably. Big time rain also right around the Lincoln area. Anywhere where you see the yellow is indicating where we've got some very heavy rain. It looks like just south of McDonald Pass there, right on the Continental Divide. That is a big time storm west of about Park Lake and over to around Red Mountain. Big time thunderstorms all the way across western Montana into northern Ohio, into northern Idaho. Wildfire and smoke, those Canadian fires, they've been burning. Over 500,000 acres has burned, and now we've got this front that is coming down, and that will deliver some nasty smoke. Okay, so here's the visible satellite, and there is the Canadian border right here, and here's Montana. Little cold front coming down, and all of this, not cloud cover, this is all smoke. It's dense smoke, and it is coming right down into the state. Here's a live look at the Browning area, one of the first spots to see this front coming through, and we're already seeing reduced visibility with an increase in the smoke, and that air quality, which isn't the best already, is likely to deteriorate here tonight into tomorrow. Thunderstorms, that may actually be our saving grace because that helps to kind of clean out the atmosphere just a little bit. Scattered thunderstorms tomorrow throughout the afternoon, the evening, so a cloudier and cooler day than today, and we'll have to watch out, of course, for the possibility of flooding. Saturday starts out dry. Once again, thunderstorms pop in the afternoon, the evening, and guess what, Sunday? Yeah, a few more of these thunderstorms popping up in the afternoon over the mountains and then drifting down over the lower elevations. So here's the forecast for tomorrow. This front coming through tonight into tomorrow morning will bring that smoke into Montana. It's not going to be a very nice overnight tonight into tomorrow. Scattered showers and thunderstorms, highs in the 60s and the 70s. Hey, at least it's Friday, and actually you hope for those thunderstorms kind of clean out some of that smoke. Saturday, starting out dry, afternoon thunderstorms, high temperatures in the upper 70s and the lower 80s. We're not going to get rid of the warmth here anytime soon. Sunday, even warmer, going up into the middle 80s, even the upper 80s for Havre and Glasgow. A couple of isolated thunderstorms. All in all, it should be a pretty nice weekend. Just watch out for those storms. And then Monday, here comes a front, wind increasing, and look at these temperatures, 93 degrees in Glasgow, summer-like heat and summer-like afternoon thunderstorms for Monday. Get a little break on Tuesday before more thunderstorms Wednesday and Thursday. And for Great Falls, also looking at some scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Isolated storms here over the weekend into next week, but look at those temperatures staying in the 70s and the 80s. And we've got flooding that we will continue to follow here this evening, and then that nasty smoke. You're probably going to see it, and you're probably going to smell it.
All right, thanks for that, Curtis.